When creating virtual reality (VR) content, it's crucial to adhere to ethical considerations to ensure the well-being and safety of the users. Content creators have a significant responsibility to accurately depict realistic and sensitive virtual environments in order to ensure that their content does not perpetuate harmful stereotypes or misrepresentations. Immersive VR content has the potential to desensitize consumers to real-world experiences and foster disconnection from reality. Informed consent is crucial in VR experiences as it ensures that users are fully aware of the potential psychological effects they may experience. This includes providing detailed information about the content, potential triggers, and ensuring users understand their rights to withdraw at any time. Without informed consent, users may be exposed to content that could lead to psychological distress or trauma. Digital dualism refers to the idea that the online and offline worlds are separate and distinct, leading to the belief that digital experiences are not as real or valid as physical experiences. In the context of VR content consumption, digital dualism can impact the way users perceive and engage with virtual environments, affecting their levels of immersion and emotional connection. Ensuring data privacy and security in VR technology involves addressing ethical challenges such as user consent, data storage, and protection against unauthorized access. Regulation and guidelines play a crucial role in governing VR content creation and consumption, ensuring ethical, legal, and safety standards are upheld. These measures aim to protect consumers from harmful or inappropriate content while fostering a responsible and inclusive VR environment. As virtual reality (VR) continues to evolve, ethical considerations in content creation and consumption will become increasingly important. From ensuring the well-being of VR users to addressing sensitive and controversial themes in VR experiences, creators and consumers must navigate a new ethical landscape.